evacuate him from the kill plant. They're gonna kill him because he wouldn't do good. I said, well, he's not fat. I said, I'll fatten him up for myself like this, make him look like this. Pretty.
Digi tirare ya nena na siap ni re tira barad.
Betul, mana ngani kere. Ini dia nak saya tidak na yo, na beram ni ada.
Keto ni we to tego ku gorole.
Foto berapa aku? Kodi.
Itu tu kan tu ni na tu ra kya ke ke destroy kodi tu de na ndo.
Oh, kau dah lipin nasi. Putra ni.
Kita kira market ke. It's okay.
Ada sini kita pergi main je. Mana aku tu dia tu.
Kumura tu dari dia.
Everything's free range here. They're gonna kill him too. He had one eye. They were gonna kill him. I said, don't kill him. Happened when he was a baby. I said, don't kill him.